got me a set of leather seats for the Outback, and I'm going to show you how they look. This is how they look. They are dang dirty. Dang, they are dirty. So it needs to be cleaned up, and as you can see, it is viciously dirty. This stuff was standing outside in the guy's yard. I don't know for how long it's in his yard, but as you can see, it's packed with dirt and it's actually dirty. So I'm going to show you how to clean these seats using nothing else but household items. Okay, so this is what you're going to need to do this from home. All-purpose cleaner that you can buy by Checkers. It's about 35 bucks to get a bottle of this. This is the cream one, and I don't have a detailing brush, but I've got a clean paintbrush that I haven't used at all. It was just in the cupboard, and it's soft bristle, so you can use that to work it in. One microfiber towel cloth to apply your leather cream and to wipe it off. And you're going to need a second one for wiping the all-purpose cleaner off once you've worked into the leather crevices and all over the leather seats. So make sure that is damp, and then use that to wipe the seats down once you've worked in the all-purpose cleaner around the seat, and give it a good swirl and circles with the brush and everything, and make sure that you got into all these nooks and crannies and the crevices all around, the seams. Make sure you get into the seams as well, and then use your wet microfiber towel or damp microfiber towel to wipe that off. Once it's nice and dried out, apply your leather key and use the clean microfiber towel cloth to basically polish it in. Right, I'm gonna get started with doing that. I'm gonna put you down, and I'm gonna put you on time lapse while I work those two, and then I'm gonna move over to the rear bench and the backrest and get those cleaned, and then show you the results. You guys can see how dirty this one is, but there's a lot of dirt over here in the seams around. So we're gonna clean this with the all-purpose cleaner, and we're going to use our brush to agitate it and then make sure that we get it clean. So let's go. Let me put you on time lapse, and then we'll work it out. Okay, as you can see, it's no longer white. It's actually gone off-white. You can actually see the dirt coming off it. So that means you're doing a good job in getting that dirt out of the leather. So we're going to agitate it a bit more, and then we're going to use a damp cloth to wipe this off, and then we're going to use our clean microfiber cloth to wipe it down and see. Okay, so I've done the first pass of the multi-purpose cleaner on the face of this leather piece, and as you can see, it's not entirely clean, but I mean, if you look at this here in the back versus the front face, it looks much better. Yes, there's still some dirt ingrained in the seams and in the pores, so we'll have to go again through it and work it in some more, and then we can do the edges. Okay, so I've massaged it in nicely into the leather using circular motion with a soft bristle brush. And like I said in the beginning, you don't have to get a special brush from a detailer shop. If you got a clean had a senior soft bristle brush lying around that hasn't been used at all, that's brand new and still in the package, or go out and buy a cheap brush. I mean, you don't have to spend 250 bucks on a detailing brush to do this. Like I said in the beginning, using household items that's laying at home, the all-purpose cleaner, some rags that you have, some soft rags, and if you have microfiber towels, use the microfiber towels, and then work it nicely in, and then we'll rinse it off. Okay, so what I have here in this bottle is some sunlight liquid that is diluted 1:20. So for every 1 part of sunlight liquid is 20 parts of water. So I based it on 1 ml of sunlight liquid to 20 ml of water. And once I did that, I added a 50 ml extra water in to thin it down so that I could spray this down. This works as well, but not as well as the all-purpose cleaner. So I'm just going to use this in the bottle to spray this down so that I can wipe it off nicely. And then we'll use our damp cloth. Okay, so as you can see, it's nice and clean now. we're busy just cleaning off all the excess all-purpose cleaner that was left over after doing a nice brush through and rinsing it off with the spray bottle with some Sunlight liquid and water in it, lubricate so that we can easily wipe it off and no streaks left behind. Make sure you get into these crevices and get all the excess liquid and soap out of it, and then we'll switch to our blue microfiber towel to give it a wipe down. And there you have it. One cleaned up headrest from skanky and dirty to clean. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add the leather cream to it and give it a nice shine. So get it all nice and into the pores. So I'm gonna have to run to the shops tomorrow maybe to get another bottle or two, just so that we have it, and then we can continue cleaning these seats and making sure that they're all nice and cleaned up, and then we can get on to the next stage. So that's where I'm going to leave you for now. I'm going to continue working on the seats. Okay, so day 2, and last night I managed just to clean the headrests. Those things were so filthy, it took time to actually clean those, so I didn't get time to actually go over the seat and the backrest. So today I'm going to tackle the backrest and the seat itself and get that cleaned, and then we'll get this all put together and see how it looks. So I'm going to put you guys down on the tripod and put you into some time-lapse mode, and I'll get cleaning. Good morning, it's a beautiful day today, and what's we on day 3 or day 4 of cleaning these seats? Well, last night I finished them off camera, because doing it on camera the whole time with you guys, it's kind of monotonous and boring, the same thing over and over. So I've gone through all the seats, all the headrests, and I've dressed them with leather cream, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So here we go. Okay, so you see now to clean leather seats at home using our household items, namely some household all-purpose cleaner. The one I used was from Checkers, the Simply Truth all-purpose cleaner cream, which actually makes a nice lather and a foam for cleaning the seats. A paintbrush that was clean, a small one, and what I did is I snipped the bristles a bit shorter to get better leverage on cleaning and doing the lifting of the dirt. And then obviously some water with a little bit of sunlight liquid for some lubrication to get it all slidey, and then obviously to spray it down, and then one damp cloth to wipe off, a second microfiber towel to wipe that clean, and then you eat it with the leather cream. Now if you don't have leather cream, you can get at a local store. I know Checker sells the leather cream as well, the Shield version, the one which I use. You can get it, it's about $55 for a bottle of that, and you can get cracking on cleaning your own leather seat. You don't have to take it away to a professional. Also, you can if you want to. or detailer or a car cleaning place or upholstery cleaner if you don't have the time. But this shows you that you can do it actually from home using household items. That's that for this video, and I want to say thank you for watching. And if you're not subscribed, lightly tap that subscribe button down below. Just tap it down below. It'll cost you 60 seconds and nothing else. And give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful. If you didn't, double tap the thumbs up down and let me know why. That's it from me. I'll catch you in the next one.